Okay, guys, we're just about to throw this Ecohitch on. We took off these plates which held the bumper. These two plates, we won't need them anymore. We're not going to throw them away because when I do sell the car, I will take this Ecohitch off and I will resell it. But we do have these plastic isolator washers on right here. We're about to throw this thing on. I'm missing 4 isolators, so I'll have to stop right there tonight and pick up those isolators. You have to put isolators between this aluminum bumper. This is aluminum and this is steel, so you have to have isolators between it. So I've got 1 and I need 4 more, so I'm just gonna have to go to Home Depot or somewhere and find them. I thought I had enough isolators here, but they're not. I didn't count them. You know what I'm saying? I definitely needed 12. Let's see, 12 of them. So anyways, we're gonna throw this on. We're gonna show you as we're doing it. Did I mention that you should not try this unless you are a professional? I'm telling you guys, I wouldn't do it again. I don't know, man. If you don't have experience, don't do it. Don't do it, man. Make sure you don't pinch any wires. Make sure the wires are clear. Use tape. I got tape right here to hold this thing out of my way. I'll be taking this receiver, the actual receiver, off when I put everything back together because it's going to get in the way. So let's get our bolts out for this. We have a torque specification on this. Yeah, we're not going to bore you with doing. I just wanted to show you this is what ultimately what we wanted to achieve is putting this hitch on. So it is a very I'm going to be carrying mountain bikes on this bike with this car initially, and I expect it to handle the load and everything for car camping exceptionally well. And once I confirm it, I will be getting the trailer with a 3-rail system on it to carry 3 motorcycles. The trailer only weighs 425 pounds. The street bike weighs 400, and then the other bike weighs about 280. So that's 4, 3, and 3. That's 1100. You'll have a Honda 2200 watt generator on there. That weighs about 50 pounds. So that's, let's see, 3, 6. 6 and 4 is that 10,000 pounds, 1,050. You'll have at least 4 to 8 gallons of fuel. That's about 1,210 pounds if you have 8 gallons. Whoa, too much coffee. Anyways, we're good. We're fine with that. It can hang right there right now. But yeah, this thing will be towing you'll have to get a, probably what do you call it? The ball will have to come up probably about 6 inches. And then the ball, you know what I'm saying? Otherwise the trailer will be dipping down too low. So the ball will be up here somewhere in La La Land. And I'm gonna try to get a longer one so it comes out a little bit further. So we'll show you that when we get to that stage. I'm gonna torque these bolts down right here, and I'm gonna have to end it for tonight because like I said, I only have 1 isolator right here. We need to have 1 for here and 3 for right here. So I need 4. This is just a dummy bolt. They don't even use it. It's there. Oh shit. I'm actually gonna have to cut this bolt off because there's no place for it to go right here. So I'm gonna have to cut that bolt off. Some of these bumpers have a hole here. These new 2023s, there is no hole. This came off of 2019 Tesla, so that's no problem. I can cut that off. So we'll just take a hacksaw to it and buzz it off. Get it nice and flush. Actually, when I go down to Home Depot, I'll pick up a Dremel and we'll cut it off nice and flush, and then grind it down so it's nice and smooth. But so we need to have the Dremel, and we need to have 4 more isolators. So we'll take this isolator when we go with it down to Home Depot, make sure we get the same size. But a few little things, snags that you run into, you know, from watching the video for the 2000. Except the video is for a 2021, but the guy that I bought this from, it was on the 2019. So to be honest with you, I don't think he even put it on. I mean, it's used. It rubs right here a little bit. It's been rubbed, but I don't know. Maybe he did use it. But anyways, we're gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna torque these down to whatever the torque specification is. And this stage is done, and then our hands are tied right here. We have to get the stuff that I mentioned. So anyways, that's it for this video, and we'll show you more as we progress from here.